Hello students, you welcome. Today in this video we shall learn about the third part of the chapter The Glimpses of India, Tea from Assam, written by Arup Kumar Datta. In fact, in this lesson we shall learn about Assam and its tree plantation. This story revolves around two characters, Pranjal and Rajveer. In fact, Pranjal was born in Assam and he was studying in New Delhi. Rajveer is from New Delhi and Rajveer and Pranjal are both friends. Today Rajveer got an opportunity to visit Assam with his friend Pranjal. In fact, Pranjal's father was a manager in a tea estate. That's why both were going together to visit Assam. When Rajveer and Pranjal reached at the station of Delhi, there they found that a vendor was there, a hawker was there who called chai, tea, and both the boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, ordered for 2 cups of tea. When both were sipping the tea, other visitors or the other travelers in the train compartment, they were also sipping tea. At that time, Rajveer told Pranjal that worldwide every day about 80 crores cup of tea are sipped, or there is the consumption of 80 crores cup of tea daily basis in the world every day. At the time, Pranjal, who was studying a novel, got surprised. In fact, that boy Pranjal was interested to read the detective novels. Rajveer also had a great interest in the detective novels, but today he was very much excited about his visit to Assam. The train left the station. As the train left the station, Rajveer told Pranjal that there are many legends, there are many stories about the discovery of the tea, but there is no confirmation when and how tea was developed, tea was discovered. According to a Chinese tale, it is said that there was a Chinese emperor who used to drink always the boiled water. One day it happened that the emperor was boiling the water, or the water was boiling in the pot on the twigs. Fortunately, some leaves of the twig, they fell into the boiling water and it changed the taste of the boiled water. The emperor was impressed, and in this way tea was discovered in China. It is said that around 2700 BC, tea was discovered in China. The words chai, chini, these words are in fact originated in China itself. There is an Indian legend also. According to the Indian legend, there was a Buddhist monk whose name was Bodhidharma. Bodhidharma used to meditate. When he used to start meditation, he would feel sleepiness. To remove the sleepiness, he cut his eyelids and he threw them on the ground, and consequently 10 leaves of tea grew because of his eyelids. The tea plant leaves were boiled into the water and it vanished the sleepiness of the saint. So there are two Chinese and Indian legends, two stories about the discovery of the tea. Now the train reached at the junction of Miryani, where father of boy Pranjal had already reached to receive the boys. Both the boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, they sat into the car, they took the car and they left for the garden of a tea or tea plantation where Pranjal's father was a manager. On the way now, Pranjal could see and the boy Rajveer, both they could see the tree plantation up to where their eyesight was reaching. The plants of the tea were so beautifully pruned, so beautifully cut they were looking very much impressive. The workers who were plucking the tea leaves, they were looking dwarfing in the tea plants, and up to the site where they could see, or up to the place they could see, there were some long trees, tall trees, and in between there were the small beautifully pruned plants of a tea. It was a mesmerizing sight that filled the spirit of boy Rajveer with joy. In fact, it was not a new thing for Pranjal, but Rajveer was enjoying it to the core of the heart. When the two boys were going through the tea plantations, at that time Rajveer asked Mr. Barwa, is it the second flush or the second sprouting season of the tea plantation that goes or that lasts from May to July? He further added that this is the season where we get the best sort of a tea, best sort of tea leaves. At this comment, Mr. Barwa said to the boy Rajveer that it seemed you have worked a lot, you have made a good homework before coming to watch this plantation or before visiting to